Les ombres dansent sur le mur blanc. Chaque nuit, je revois le même, un rire perdu, un parfum d'hier.
So one of my favorite treatments in the clinic, and I'm usually asked this question by our clients, patients, so what is a must-have, must-do treatment, is RF microneedling with exosomes. It's not just an RF. First of all, it's a Korean machine which we specifically ship the latest technology, which is 2022 technology in RF field from Korea. And we specifically ship lab-grown exosomes from Korea, which are the highest potency, and they have 250 billion vessels of exosomes, and it's combined treatment where the machine, the RF machine itself, acts as a drug delivery machine, and it delivers under the right layers of your skin the exosomes, which regenerate your skin and your cell in a stem cell level. So basically, it's not a straight away effect you would look for, even though a lot of clients give us a feedback that they saw straight away that they have the tighter skin, and in a week it's very glowing. The longer time passes from your first treatment, or what we recommend, the course of treatment, the more useful your skin becomes. That's a magical treatment I am obsessed with. I do it on a regular basis. I can't do it very regularly. My doctor, they not permit me to do it that often, but I do a course of 3, and then I top it up like once in every 3 months with one treatment additional. Highly recommend to try that if you haven't till today.
Mais ils reviennent encore, les souvenirs toujours plus forts. Et même si le vent emporte tout, ces fragments d'âme restent debout. Les souvenirs doux et cruels à la fois, ils sont là. Timide, des lueurs dans la nuit, un miroir fêlé, des rêves qui fuient. Je cherche des réponses, mais tout s'efface. Le temps s'étire dans un silence tenace. Reflet dans l'ombre, qui suis-je vraiment? Une lueur fragile ou un cœur absent?
Today I had RF microneedling with gold-plated needles using the most advanced VirtueRF device, a next-generation treatment that is more precise and comfortable than Morpheus 8, delivering beautiful results with virtually zero downtime. At My Skin Ethics, the treatment is performed exclusively with purest Korean exosomes, which dramatically enhance healing, boost collagen production, and support deep cellular regeneration for a stronger anti-aging effect.
Les étoiles s'éteignent, cachées par le brouillard. Un écho discret perdu dans le noir. Je tends la main, mais tout s'effondre. Les reflets glissent, s'y creusent dans les ombres. Si la lumière revient, me montrera-t-elle ce que je cache, ce que je fuis? Ou restera-t-elle cruelle, comme ces ombres qui me trahissent la nuit? Reflet dans l'ombre.